Hi everyone, Teacher Priya here. So today we're going to learn how to draw and color this hungry cow. Look at him, looks so hungry and funny, right? Okay, this lesson we're focusing on lines and shapes again. So if you look at this cow, it's again like we will be using what? Circle shape, also oval, okay, some straight lines, and then we'll be using zigzag lines and also some wavy lines for the cloud. And in terms of coloring, we'll be using oil pastel. And if you notice here, there'll be three different things can be noticed. Like if you see here in this term, this is also oil pastel, but it has been smoothened. And this one is giving like a more roughy, more like a rough texture to it. Whereas this one is also a bit like rough texture. Okay, so now I will be showing how to draw this hungry cow. Like I said just now, we are focusing on the shape. So try to draw big, try to fill up your paper. So if you look at this, look at how big the cow is. It's like taking up the whole space on the paper, right? He's the main hero for this class, right? So we're going to be trying to draw really big. So try to find any shapes, any circle shapes around your house, so that it will make it easier for you to draw. You know, because when you draw a circle with free hand, you tend to do a mistake and it won't look like a nice circle, right? So try to look for shape, circle shape that can help you to know for you to trace it out. If you can't trace it out, you can also ask your parents to help you all out to trace the circle. Okay, only the tracing part. The other parts all you got to try to do it yourself. Okay. Okay. So we're going to start from the body part, right? Okay. So we're going to have really big circle, right? We have a nice big circle. Okay. I'm going to make it a little smaller. I'm going to make it smaller because I don't have space for my clouds. I'm making it a little bit smaller. Okay, and I'm going to erase the middle part because this is where I'm going to draw this out. So here I'm using an oval. Okay, I'm using an oval. Okay, so then this is actually going to be the nose, right? So the nostrils. Okay, and this is where its face is coming. Okay, so look at this. I'm going to make its face a bit funny. I'm using a wavy line. Can you see? A wavy line like that, and the other side too. Okay, and then its eyes. So yeah, the eyes is also circle in shape. The eyes is also circle in shape. Right? Okay. This is where is one circle. Okay? And is ears. How? Look. Watch carefully. It's like a teardrop shape under the side way. That and like that. I'm gonna do two times like this. Kids, try to draw yourself as much as you can. The more you draw, the better you become. Please don't ask your parents to draw. You try to draw it yourself. Okay? It's very simple. If you see, it was a big circle, and then I erase the middle, and then I draw the oval here, right? And then I use wavy line. Then I draw two circles for the eyes, and then two small circles inside for the eyeballs. And then for the horn again I used wavy line. Okay, and then this the ears, what I did, sideway teardrop kind of shape, right? And then now I'm going to draw the tongue. Okay, tongue how? organic shape. Okay, when you draw like a shape like this, we call it organic shape. You see? Is it clear enough? See? Okay, so draw it everywhere. Create the patches. Because cows got patches, right? So create the patches, draw it everywhere. Done? And then for the leg. Okay? So two vertical lines going down. Okay? Close it. And this way is hoofs. Cow's hoofs. Done? Okay. And then I'm going to draw the grass. How? I'm going to use zigzag line. What line? I'm using zigzag line. See, yeah? Like Esco is going to eat the grass. Right. So I'm having all zigzag lines. Yeah. Right? And then I'm going to show like Esco there's bushes behind me. Here and then heels. Draw some heels. Okay, all these can be grass. Okay, now moving to the cloud. I'm going to use wavy lines again. Straight line. You can do wavy all through, or you want to do it like as the line and then wavy line also can. Okay, you can add birds if you want, you can add any other things if you want to. So this is our hungry, funny looking cow. Okay. Okay, so after this we move into the coloring part and we will be using oil pastels. So for the grass, I'm drawing all the lines first and then I'm coloring it. Okay, I'll be drawing back the lines again also, just to like emphasize the lines there, just to show the grass. So for this portion, I'm just coloring it, I'm just like pressing my oil pastel. Okay, I'm not gonna smoothen it, I'm not gonna do anything, just coloring it. Okay, just press the oil pastel and make sure you cover all the areas. Make sure there's no white areas. And now I'm using a dark green and drawing back all the lines. Okay, this is going to be like a heel area. So I'm using a dark green and a light green. Okay, for this portion, I'm using all green. If you see, for oil pastel, I'm not so worried about the way or the direction you're going to color. You can just, so this is the best colors that can be tried by little children, especially children from 5 to 7 years old, because they're learning how to color. And then oil pastel also, like, it won't hurt their hands that much comparing to color pencil, so they tend to like fill up more areas faster comparing to color pencils. So you can add some flowers or anything you want, like I put some like dots on the back just to indicate like small flowers, but like now, like I kind of like smoothen everything because I feel like I want to just try to give us like a smooth effect, so that I was thinking like to show you all different texture, right? And then when you look at the sky, I just kind of like press the oil pastel all over, for the sky. I didn't color it in the same direction. I kind of like press it in sideways. Okay, and after that, outline everything with black is to enhance the look of the cow. Including the grass. Okay, now I'm smoothing the area with tissue. I'm using tissue and pressing all over the place. So you can see like 3 different textures actually. And I'm just like drawing grass on top. So you can try to do that also. So here we are done.